Hi guys, I'm making a new project and I thought I could show you guys how I design stuff and 3D print and show you the whole process of making something. So this project is about designing the logo of my university, Warwick, the University of Warwick in UK. I thought it would be fun because it's pretty cool to 3D print your college logo and put it on your bag, and because I thought people who are also going to the university with me on my airplane will know that I am going to the same school with them and maybe we could help each other out. So let's begin.
First, we begin our design on Fusion 360. Let's copy the logo of Warwick as an image inside the Fusion 360 and define the dimensions as 6 millimeters from the right and from the right to the left. And then let's draw the contour of the logo with straight lines. Now let's draw the text. Let's write the text Warwick and place the text on the center. Now let's draw a rectangle that acts as the base of the text. Then we extrude the base to 3 millimeters, and then we extrude the text on top of the base 2 millimeters. And now let's design the keychain hole by drawing 2 circles and extruding that also. Finally, let's add some fillets to make it smoother. 0.5 for the edges and 1 millimeter for the corners. And let's save the file. Now let's open Cura, which is the slicing software for the 3D printer, which turns models into readable code for the printer. In here we load in the model that we just exported from the software, and we slice it and we can see the preview of the print, which is really cool. Okay, I decided to change the text to be a bit thicker so the effect, the printing effect will be better. Now let's slice it again and we can see that the text has become more thick. Then we take out the SD card and put it inside the 3D printer. Let's set the temperature to 200 degrees. And remove the last print. Wait for it to heat. And now the heating is done, and let's put some glue on the glass for the first layer to adhere well. And let's remove the broken filament from last time and insert some new filaments inside the extruder. Now you can see the extruder is leaking some filament, which means that it's done. So now let's begin to print. Select the file we just put into the SD card and hit print. And then it homes and it begins to print. Now let's see the time-lapse video. After we print it, we just take it off with a utility blade, and it's done. Next, we just have to finish the surface with a utility blade and some sandpaper to make it more smoother. And let's add some color to the words. Let's put it on my bag and see the results. Very good. Thanks for watching.